Reuters, 20th of July 2023, numerous clients of ABB are shifting their investments away from aggressive China. There is a lack of faith in China and the Chinese system due to China's aggressive behavior and mistreatment of foreign capital and investors. Due to geopolitical tensions, many of ABB's customers are moving their investments from China to India and other parts of Asia, according to the chief executive of the industrial and engineering giant, Bjorn Rosengren, on Thursday. In the 3 months leading up to the end of June, the manufacturer of factory robots and automation systems recorded a 9% decline in new orders from China, ABB's second-largest market. According to ABB, growth in other parts of Asia, particularly India, which saw a 7% increase in new orders, offset the dip. According to Rosengren, "We think that many of the investments that were initially intended for China are now ending up in India." He noted that there had been a slight adjustment, which was probably inevitable given the geopolitical difficulties China was facing. Many businesses are worried about their reliance on China due to rising tensions between Beijing and the West, particularly in light of American efforts to prevent China from accessing cutting-edge technology. Last week, the German government released a strategy paper outlining the economic and security risks of investing in China, but it was ambiguous over suggestions to lessen crucial reliance. Although cautious not to single out China, ABB's German rival Siemens, Siegenthaler, has also announced intentions to spend more on facilities in Germany, the US, and other regions of Asia to strengthen its resilience. According to Rosengren, India is now ABB's fifth-largest market, and tech businesses, in particular, are investing more there. Concerns about the world's second-largest economy increased due to the decline in China, which earlier this week warned of lackluster economic growth due to weakening domestic and international demand. After the Chinese market reopened after its zero-COVID policy was abandoned, Rosengren claimed that the high hopes that had been had for it had not been realized. In the meantime, he continued, several clients who had placed bulk orders last year to avoid supply chain bottlenecks were now depleting their stockpiles. Nevertheless, the executive believed that the Chinese economy would not continue to deteriorate for very long and predicted that Beijing would introduce stimulus measures. He said it is difficult to predict whether it would occur in the upcoming quarter or the one following. "We are not in a panic,